Hello everyone, my name is Beth and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a leche flan or custard cake. Here is all the ingredients. 10 pieces of eggs, 1 can of condensed milk, 1 evaporated milk, 1 drop of vanilla extract, 1 piece small size of lemon, 1/2 cup of white sugar to make a caramel, and 1/3 cup of water. Let's make the caramel base. Pour 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of water into the tray. Mix them until the sugar melts. If you don't have a leche flan tray, you can also use a pie pan. Heat the tray pan and set it on to low fire. Let it simmer until it thickens and turns to a golden brown. Remove the tray and let it cool down. Get a steamer pan, pour water, and set it on high fire. While I'm waiting for the water to boil, get a mixing bowl and another extra bowl for the white eggs. Start cracking the eggs. Use the egg separator to split the egg yolks from the egg white. Combine the egg yolks, condensed and evaporated milk, squeeze the lemon, and drop a little of vanilla extract. Use a hand mixer to mix it well. to each leche flan tray and cover it with foil. Cover it with foil. Now that the water is boiling, put the leche flan to the steamer. Steam it for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, open the foil. The flan should be creamy by now. To check if the flan is fully cooked, use a toothpick and pierce it all the way through. Pull the toothpick, make sure that nothing sticks to it. Finally, remove the tray from the steamer and transfer to the plate upside down. Cool it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. I hope you enjoy watching this video and learn how to make your own leche flan. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.